Here is how to make natural hair growth pack at home. Mix 2 teaspoons of extracted onion juice with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply it on your hair and let it sit for 20 minutes. After that, wash it off. Benefits of onion juice and honey hair pack. Onion juice and honey hair mask has shown rejuvenation of the scalp and has ensured hair growth over time. Onion is used because it is rich in sulfur, which is one of the essential minerals in encouraging hair growth. Blood circulation gets better due to sulfur, which provides the hair follicles with the perfect amount of nourishment. The antibacterial properties of onion help to heal scalp infections that can contribute to hair loss. Also, it contains antioxidants, which are antioxidants such as enzyme catalase that can prevent the hair from premature graying. Honey is a natural ingredient which consists of fructose and glucose, and also has vital nutrients and vitamins that helps in healing and nourishing the body. Honey has a beautiful property of retaining water, and that is reason why it an effective hair moisturizer. Thus, using honey for hair can be vital in providing moisture to your hair and prevent it from breaking. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.